On the 10th of October 2023, in Southport, Gold Coast, a white Holden Commodore was pulled over by a motorbike officer close to 10 p.m. The driver was later identified as Chris Svetkovsky, 40 years old. Svetkovsky was accompanied by a woman and a child in the Commodore. Redactions were made to the footage obtained by Police Vision Australia to protect the privacy of other parties involved in this incident and for police operational reasons.
Brown and silver in colour.
Mate, Senior Constable, mate, straight from the Highway Patrol. Just going to do a licence check, okay?
The officer struggles to find any information under the name provided allegedly by Svetkovsky. The officer attempts a background check on Svetkovsky.
I'm not sure why we're not finding anything on that name. Yeah. So we'll just go through this one more time. I'm just going to give you the requirement again to state your full and correct name.
In the months leading up to this incident, Svetkovsky had committed several fraud offences. He posed as a TAB worker to steal cash from the Grand Hotel in Labrador, accessing machines and taking $400 from the till. He used similar tactics to steal money from the Advancetown Hotel, presenting himself as a technician to gain access to funds. In 2018, he was accused of robbing an electronics store and was dubbed by local news outlets as the Smiling Gunman. The officer, captured on body-worn camera footage, informed a female passenger standing next to the vehicle that he intended to search the car once backup arrived.
BCR 961, urgent. He's rammed my car, he's rammed my bike.
First aid, direction of travel.
He's not moving anywhere. Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Take out of Golf Charlie, 412941, code to 2206. Yeah, we'll say that, 412 offshore. 2206, can you confirm if
What's 961, Golf?
no traffic injuries there? We had a good 2 units proceeding to assist with the driver. The driver's now ram 961 and taken off. Take out of 961.
What's for the car?
(961) read that, 2 adults, 1 male child passenger.
Receive 961, are you injured? No, I believe we have him on High Street. 2208. Go ahead.
961, no injuries, but if you want to roll me a supervisor in a tow truck, my bike's a write-off.
Proceeding, and 961 is requesting your assistance there. His bike's a write-off. Receive, show informed.
961 received, thank you.
For one injured at all?
Negative, no injuries.
No injuries, mate. Camera office, VKR. Camera office, we're monitoring both ends of the street. We can't see the vehicle in the street.
Svetkovsky drove recklessly, weaving through traffic, speeding, and running a red light before abandoning the vehicle. Police eventually caught up with him and transported him to the Southport police station. Chris Svetkovsky was charged with fraud ×4, willful damage to police property, dangerous operation of a motor vehicle, obstruct police officer, dangerous drugs possession ×5, stealing, dishonesty gaining a benefit, and dishonesty obtaining property. In court, Magistrate Zanita Balic acknowledged Svetkovsky's remorse and noted his potential for rehabilitation, albeit tempered by his extensive criminal history. Your prospects of rehabilitation, to my mind, are still present but are not great, Magistrate Balic remarked. You have a lot riding on this. Chris Svetkovsky was sentenced to 19 months in jail, with 144 days already served taken into account. He will be eligible for parole in May. Thanks for watching.